Want to supercharge your garden without chemicals? Compost tea is a natural fertilizer that feeds your plants and your soil's microbes, and it's easy to make. Compost tea is a liquid extract made from compost. It contains nutrients, beneficial bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, all great for plant health. University of Washington studies show compost tea can improve disease resistance and soil biology. Avoid using compost with manure from foliar sprays, can carry pathogens. You'll need high-quality compost, preferably from plant-based sources, rainwater or dechlorinated water, and optional additives like molasses or fish emulsion. An aeration pump, a bucket, and a strainer are also essential. To brew compost tea, you'll need a bucket, water, compost, and an aerator. Fill the bucket with water and add a generous amount of compost. Use the aerator to keep the mixture oxygenated. Let it brew for 24 to 36 hours until it smells earthy, not foul. Stir occasionally for best results. Use within 4 to 6 hours after brewing. Microbes die quickly. Used regularly, compost tea can help plants grow faster, resist disease, and increase yields. That's how you make compost tea. Cheap, effective, and totally natural. If this helped your garden grow, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.